From Nifty Computers, and this is the Aruba 48 port switch. This is a PoE switch, and I will be explaining you on how to set up the IP address to manage this switch. Initially, we will have to access the switch console. Here I am using the USB serial converter and putty. This is the initial screen of the switch console. You can set the password and further details by using the CLI. Select the IP configuration and assign the IP address. Try accessing with the same IP address which we assigned previously. By default, there is no password for this web access. Now, this is the web console. You can set up VLAN and change the security settings along with many other settings through this GUI console.